Logic gates in digital electronics. Introduction to logic gates. Logic gates are fundamental building blocks of digital circuits. They perform basic logical functions that are essential for digital computation. These gates work with binary input and output, typically represented as 0, low, and 1, high. Each logic gate represents a Boolean function, which helps computers and electronic devices perform operations and make decisions. AND gate. AND gate is a basic digital logic gate that implements logical conjunction. It outputs 1, true, only if all of its inputs are 1. If any input is 0 or false, the output will be 0. This gate follows the rule, output is equals to A times B, A and B. So dito po sa AND gate, magiging true lang po yung output natin kapag parehas pong 1 or true yung input natin. Tapos kapag may 0 naman po, lagi po siyang magiging 0 din po yung output. Nangyayari po yun dahil minumultiply po natin yung first input natin sa second input natin. For example po, 0 times 1 is 0. Or kaya 1 times 0 is 0. Pwede ring 1 times 1 equals 1. OR gate. OR gate is a fundamental digital logic gate that performs logical addition. It outputs 1 or true if at least one of its inputs is 1. It only outputs 0 or false when all inputs are 0. The Boolean expression for an OR gate is output equals A plus B, A or B. Dito naman po sa OR gate, laging magiging 1 or true yung output natin kapag may 1 tayong input. It doesn't matter kung yung A yung 1 or yung B. As long as may 1 tayo, laging magiging true yung sagot natin or 1. NOT gate. NOT gate, also known as an inverter, is a basic digital logic gate that performs logical negation. It has only one input and one output. Its function is simple. It reverses the input signal. If the input is 1 or true, the output is 0 or false. And if the input is 0, the output is 1. The Boolean expression for a NOT gate is output equals A NOT. Dito naman po sa NOT gate, binabaliktad lang po natin yung input natin. For example, kung ang input po natin ay 0, then ang sagot po natin ay magiging 1. Kung 1 naman po ang input natin, ang output naman po natin ay magiging 0. NAND gate. NAND gate stands for NOT AND. It is a combination of an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It outputs the opposite of the AND gate. This means the output is low, 0, only when all inputs are high or 1. For all other input combinations, the output is high or 1. The Boolean expression for NAND gate is output equals A times B NOT. Dito naman po sa NAND gate, ito lang po yung kabaliktaran ng AND gate. So kung sa AND gate po kailangan both ng input natin is true, dito po kahit isa na lang. Kasi po kung titignan po natin yung truth table ng AND gate, tatlo po doon yung 0 tapos isa lang yung 1. So kung babaliktarin po natin yun, ang mangyayari, tatlo na may magiging 1 sa output tapos isa na lang po yung 0 sa output. NOR gate. NOR gate stands for NOT OR. It is a logic gate that combines an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. The NOR gate gives the opposite output of the OR gate. It outputs high or 1 only when all inputs are low or 0. For any other combination where at least one input is high, the output will be low or 0. The Boolean expression for a NOT gate is output equals A plus B NOT. Now, just like AND gate and NAND gate, ang NOR gate po ay kabaliktaran lang din ng OR gate. Kung sa OR gate, kahit isang input na lang natin yung 1, dito hindi na ganun. Instead, mababaliktad po yung sagot natin. For example, 1 plus 0 is 1, pero babaliktarin po natin so magiging 0. SOR gate, short for exclusive OR, is a special logic gate that outputs high or 1 only when the inputs are different. If both inputs are the same, both 0 or both 1, the output is low or 0. This makes the SOR gate unique among logic gates. as it specifically checks for difference between inputs. The Boolean expression for an OR gate is output equals A XOR B. Now, unlike po sa mga naunang logic gates, ang XOR gate po ay hindi na po gumagamit ng operator. Instead, logic na po yung ginagamit niya, which says na magiging true lang yung output kapag magkaiba yung input natin. For example, 1 tsaka 0 yung input natin, then magiging 1 din yung output natin. Now, kapag magkaparehas na 1 or 0 yung input natin, magiging 0 rin yung output natin. XNOR gate. XNOR gate stands for exclusive NOR. It is the inverted form of the XOR gate. It outputs high or 1 when the inputs are equal, both 0 or both 1, and outputs low or 0 when the inputs are different. This gate is useful when detecting equality between inputs. The Boolean expression for an OR gate is output equals A XOR B NOT. Lastly, ang XNOR po ay kabaliktaran lang din ng XOR gate. So, kung sa XOR gate po kailangan magkaiba yung input natin, dito naman po yung kabaliktaran naman, kailangan naman magkaparehas. Kunyari, 1 tsaka 1 or 0 tsaka 0. Doon lang siya magto-true or 1. So, in conclusion, understanding logic gates is essential for working in digital electronics. These gates form the foundation of every complex digital system, including CPUs, memory, and control systems. Yun lang po. Thank you.